Many business owners work hard every single day, yet they still feel stressed about money. Sales are coming in, customers exist, but profits never seem to stay. Bills feel heavy, cash feels tight, and financial decisions feel confusing. This usually has nothing to do with intelligence or effort. It happens because business finance is unmanaged, not understood. In this video, you will learn how to fix poor business finance management. Step number 1. Establishing complete financial visibility inside the business. Financial problems grow fastest when business owners cannot clearly see what is happening with their money. Visibility is the foundation of strong business finance management. Every financial detail must exist in one place, so decisions are based on facts, not assumptions. Bank balances, cash on hand, pending invoices, unpaid bills, loans, subscriptions, and recurring expenses must all be documented clearly. Relying on memory or checking numbers occasionally creates blind spots. Personal and business finances must be fully separated to reveal true performance. Mixing them hides losses and creates false confidence. Monthly income should be calculated using money actually received, not expected payments. Planning based on future cash that has not arrived leads to dangerous overspending. Every expense must be listed, including small and irregular costs. These small amounts often become the biggest profit leaks over time. Reviewing the last 3 to 6 months of financial activity helps identify patterns, unnecessary spending, and inefficiencies. Understanding the break-even point is essential because it shows how much the business must earn just to survive. Outstanding receivables must be followed up consistently because delayed payments damage cash flow more than low sales. All this information should be placed in a simple dashboard or spreadsheet that is reviewed regularly. Once financial visibility improves, confusion reduces. Clear numbers remove fear, replace guesswork with control, and create a stable base for fixing deeper financial issues confidently. Step number 2. Creating spending discipline without harming growth. Uncontrolled spending is one of the most common causes of poor financial health in businesses. Fixing this issue does not mean cutting everything aggressively. It means creating discipline and intention around where money goes. Every business needs a clear monthly spending structure based on real historical data. Each expense category, such as marketing, tools, operations, payroll, and utilities, must have defined limits. Without limits, expenses naturally expand. Essential and non-essential costs must be separated clearly. Many businesses continue paying for software, services, or subscriptions that no longer add value. These costs quietly reduce profits every month. Taxes should always be treated as a regular expense instead of a future problem. Setting aside money consistently prevents stress later. Emergency buffers are also necessary to handle unexpected costs without disrupting operations. Spending should be tracked weekly to identify problems early. Waiting until the end of the month often hides overspending until damage is done. Planned spending must be compared with actual spending regularly so corrections can be made quickly. Emotional spending is dangerous in business. Clear approval rules prevent impulse decisions driven by excitement or fear. When spending becomes intentional and disciplined, cash flow improves naturally, stress reduces, and profitability becomes predictable without increasing revenue. Step number 3. Stabilizing cash flow to reduce daily financial pressure. Many businesses focus heavily on increasing sales while ignoring cash flow stability. This creates pressure instead of progress. Cash flow determines whether a business survives daily operations. Payment speed often matters more than total revenue. Improving invoicing systems, follow-ups, and payment terms can dramatically improve available cash. Advance payments or partial upfront payments reduce risk and smooth operations. Supplier payment terms should be negotiated carefully to align with incoming cash. Paying suppliers faster than customers pay creates unnecessary strain. Inventory should be managed carefully to avoid locking cash into slow-moving stock. Weekly cash flow forecasting is one of the most powerful habits a business can build. It reveals problems before they become emergencies. During tight periods, non-essential expenses should be delayed to protect stability. A minimum cash reserve must exist and be protected seriously. This reserve provides breathing room during slow cycles or unexpected disruptions. Loans should never be used to cover basic operational mistakes. Debt should support planned growth, not daily survival. Products and services that generate faster cash should be prioritized, even if margins are slightly lower. Strong cash flow allows calmer leadership, better decisions, and long-term survival even during uncertain market conditions. Step number 4. Bringing structure to financial decisions and business behavior. Poor financial management is often caused by emotional decision-making rather than lack of knowledge. Structure protects businesses from impulsive mistakes. Clear financial goals provide direction and boundaries. Targets related to profit margins, reserves, and expense ratios guide daily decisions. Spending rules prevent unnecessary risk and keep behavior consistent. Borrowing limits protect long-term stability. Debt should always have a clear purpose and repayment plan. Major financial decisions should be supported by numbers, not opinions or excitement. Pricing discipline is critical for financial health. Inconsistent discounting quietly destroys margins and cash flow. Key financial metrics must be reviewed regularly to detect early warning signs. Revenue alone is not enough. Financial responsibility should be clearly assigned, even in small teams. Accountability prevents negligence and confusion. Costs should never grow faster than income over time. Documented financial rules help maintain consistency during both good and difficult periods. When decisions follow structure instead of emotion, businesses operate with confidence. Financial stability improves because choices are intentional rather than reactive. Over time, discipline builds trust, predictability, and sustainable growth across the entire business system. Step number 5. Turning business finance into a long-term operating system. Fixing business finance is not a one-time correction. It must become a repeatable system that runs continuously. Simple financial tools or software help reduce human error and improve consistency. Monthly financial reviews should focus on profit, cash flow, and expenses instead of only sales. Dashboards provide faster clarity than scattered files or reports. Early warning signs such as shrinking margins or rising costs must be addressed immediately. Financial understanding should improve across the team so daily decisions support stability. Regular expense audits help remove waste before it compounds. Profits should be reinvested intentionally instead of emotionally. Random reinvestment creates risk rather than growth. Financial systems must evolve as the business grows, but discipline should remain constant. Treating finance as a core operating system instead of an administrative task changes how the business performs. Businesses that survive long-term are not lucky. They are structured, disciplined, and financially aware. When finance becomes systematic, leadership stress reduces and growth becomes sustainable. Strong financial systems allow businesses to adapt, survive downturns, and expand confidently without chaos or constant pressure. If this video helped you see business finance more clearly, like the video so it reaches more business owners, share it with someone who is struggling with money management in their business, and subscribe for practical, real-world business finance content. See you in the next video.